Hi there! I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready to play a game with me? Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. We're gonna play the fruit game. So, are you ready? Here's how it works. I'll show you a picture of a super yummy fruit, and your job is to guess what it is. Shout it out really loud so I can hear you, okay? Let's go.
Okay, first up are the power fruit. Grrr. These are the fruits that make you big and strong. Yeah! They give you energy to run super fast and jump super high. Ready to see the first one?
All right, here it is. Take a good look. What do you see? It's long and it's yellow. What could it be? Can you guess? Shout it out. I'm waiting. A banana. You got it. Wow, you are so smart. That's exactly right. It's a banana. Yay, you. And you know what's super cool about bananas? They give you lots of strength to play. That means you can run and climb and have so much fun without getting tired. Bananas are like super power fuel. You were amazing on that one. Ready for the next round? Okay, this time we're guessing juicy fruits. These are the best for when it's hot and sunny outside.
Whoa, look at this. This one is big and round. It's green on the outside, but if you peek inside, it's all red and yummy. What fruit is that? Do you know its name?
A watermelon? Yes, you're right again. You really are a fruit superstar. High five. Awesome.
And here's the secret about watermelons. They are filled with water, like almost all water. That's why they're so juicy and perfect for a hot day. It's like having a drink and a snack all at once.
You are just rocking this game. Okay, next up, we have our tummy helpers. These are special fruits that make your tummy feel really good.
Okay, let's see what we have here. It's kinda long and orange, and look, it has tiny little black seeds on the inside. Have you ever tried this fruit before? Think hard. What's its name?
A papaya, that's it. You knew it. You were just unstoppable. That is amazing.
And papayas are tummy helpers because they help make sure your tummy is always happy after you eat. A happy tummy lets you keep playing and having fun. So cool, right? Okay, can you believe it? We're on our very last fruit. Are you ready for the final guess? This one is a super sweet fruit. It's so yummy, it tastes just like candy. All right, here we go. Look at this little red fruit. See the little tiny seeds all over the outside? Oh, I know you know this one. What is it? Say it nice and loud. It's a strawberry. Yes, I knew you'd get it. Strawberries are one of my favorites. Yum, yum, yum. And that's because they are just so sweet and delicious. They're like little red jewels that are super fun to eat. You did it! You guessed every single fruit. Woohoo! That means you are a fruit champion! Give yourself a big cheer. Let's think about all the amazing fruits we met today. We had the banana for strength, the watermelon to keep us cool, the papaya for our tummies, and that super sweet strawberry. You did such a great job. So, my new fruit champion, I have one last question for you. Which yummy fruit are you gonna try today? Maybe you can ask a grown-up for a fruity snack. That would be awesome! Thank you so much for playing with me. It was so much fun.